everyone, my name is Piyush Krishna Kumar. I am here to represent my topic, which is a final year topic, Friday AI Desktop Virtual Assistant. So in this content, we will discuss about objective overview, how it works, methodology, what is concept is used in this project, features, setup, commands, advantages and disadvantages. So basically, it is a voice assistant which is used for this system. About this project is same like a Cortana, which is used in our system. AI assistants, we know it's capturing a lot of attentions. Basically, we know that we visit any website, commercial website, there are chatbots which are mainly there to guide us. This is a in this era we know that smart home and smart device are used mainly. So like this we can see at a home automation system in which what happens, the user sit and say command, voice it gives a output through its voice, and whatever it's taken according to that its response the system. Suppose there is a one home automation, there is a bulb, we can do not have to switch off or on, just say voice command, just we have to say light off, it will off the light. And you will see that if we say that light on, then it will on the light or off the light. Is basically on the voice command based project. So this concept is mainly is that it's same like a Cortana, which listens our voice, and according to that it's a response. So Cortana is same like that, this project also, but difference is that we had added more features. Suppose like AI games and listening music, and there is something we can search on Google's, or Wolfram, which is a artificial intelligence things, which provide the query response of the users with its artificial intelligence, using artificial intelligence technologies. So this project is basically came from name Friday, which is a character of Hollywood movie, as I guess many of know about that. It is a part of Avengers. In that Tony Stark had created this. If I talk about its full form, its name is Females Replacement Intelligent Digital Assistant Youth, which is in natural processing language used. Basically, it is a known that this is developed in C++. The detail of design is remain unknown. Yeah, it's a remain unknown, but I thought it will be interesting to create a AI desktop virtual assistant. So I used this project to make, I use this technologies concept of artificial intelligence to make this project. Basically, it is made in Python. The main objective of this project is to provide a user a quick and easy way to their query response by a system. So whatever we will request, it will respond toward it if it is available into the system. So basically our output is input is through the voice command, and system will provide output according to that query. That can save our time by using less mouse, by using less keyboard and mouse, which is very helpful to users, that can save time. People who do not know how to type or use a mouse or keyboard, basically the older citizens of our country, they can use it very easily. Just give voice command toward it. So overview of this is it is a AI desktop virtual assistant. It is very user friendly and it can perform many daily life activity like translator. As we know, we need a translator because few words we don't know, so that we can't translate the word using English to Hindi or vice versa. He, or informing you of latest news headline. It provide a latest news. Just give command today headline according to that. Weather forecasting. It can set alarm clock. AI game, which is mainly a multiplayer game. We can play with Friday with us, that is system. AI game means rock paper scissors. Multiplayer game is there. Its application, it's mainly allow to users to play with systems. So face recognitions in this project, face recognitions is used for the verification purpose. So how it work? It mainly work just users have to give the command. Suppose that wake up. So by this command it will activate. So Friday record that voice means it analyze that text and proper response is provided by the Friday. So it work like users request a query and Friday response against that query to activate and close the Friday. So basically it is a just same as we will run the system, so it will display listening, so that it's mean Friday listening to the users. Now we have to just give the command wake up, so that basically at this wake up command it will activate and it will just ask to the users for the password and the verifications purpose, face unlock just for the verification purpose, so that it protect from the unauthorized users. Because I have provide into this project a system some password and unlock process. Basically these are the security purpose I have provide this, because this is the system, this is like a personal voice assistant which basically work for the users. Maybe it will have a personal data which can be secure from that, so I had provided password and face recognitions techniques into this project. So basically it is a two function. One is for task execution. In this functions users enable to work on it and perform various tasks, uh, such as I have mentioned. This is a few tasks, but there are many which can perform by the users. So and second function that is AI relax. This function enables the user to have informal communications with artificial intelligence. Just we have to give command relax AI, it will go into the friend mode, which will have the conversations with the Friday, just like a gossip something. Uh, this way it can for the entertainment purpose user can use this. So to close the Friday, just we have to give the goodbye. Just we have to give the command goodbye. Or if user did not want to close the, suppose there is a two functions, one is task execution and AI relax. Firstly he has used the task execution. Now he want to go for AI relax, means friend mode. So he had to first give the command wake up. After using his performance, whatever he want to do, after that he can say sleep command. Sleep command what basically will do, it will do not close whole system, it will go for the basically two type of functions, that is tasks execution and relax function. So users can know about it, so that it provide a system to use the both functions. So if user didn't want to use or he want to immediately close, just gives goodbye command. So methodology of this project is very easy. It can